Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm audible, visible, everything to you guys. I hope I'm audible, visible. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Just confirm this, anyone, so that we can start. Chalo, we'll be starting, sir. Thank you so much, Reena. Thank you so much for the confirmation. Chalo, sir. Let us start with the session. So here I am with the NTPC mock analysis, right? Now, let's start the questions one by one. First question is this one. First question of the mock itself is of mathematics. Chalo, sir, let's start. At present, age-related questions. P is 2/3 of as old as Q, who is 4 by 5 times as old as R, sir. Using this information, sir, so let's do one thing. Let us do one thing. You see, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 by 5. That means the denominators are 3 and 5. Na? So age of R, I'm taking the multiple of 3 5s are 15. So I'm taking 15x. So P, Q, R. R, I'm taking 15x. Why? Because I don't want to deal with any of the decimals or fractions. That is the reason. Q is 4/5 of 15x. Sir, 4 by 5 of 15x is 12x, sir. You see, into 4 by 5. So 5 3s are this, 4 3s are 12. Now, P is what's that? 2/3 of 12x. 3 4s are this, so it will be, sir, 8x. 8x, sir. Done. So like all three of their ages, this is present. They are talking about present, sir. Done. Sum of ages of P and Q 3 years from now. Sir, P and Q 3 years from now, that is 20x. 3 years may, in 3 years, P will also, like P's age will also increase by 3 years, Q's age will also increase by 3 years. So total is 6 years increment. Is same as, equal as sum of the ages of P and R 3 years ago. So P's age, R's age. 15 plus 8 is 23. But sir, it is 3 years ago, meaning sir, it will be minus 6. 23x minus 6. So that means 3x value is 12, x is, sir, 4. Now they are asking P is dash months younger. Sir, P is 7x years younger. And x, I know 4. 7 4s are 28 years younger, sir. Option A is the answer. Sashi, yes, brother. Option 1 is definitely your correct answer. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Now, again, everything was in this thing. If you can understand, we will assume 15x. So the whole question becomes much easier if you can do this. That much only. Nothing extravagant. Chalo, sir. Not this, not this. So this one. Partnership questions, sir. Chalo. Next one. Yes, Reena, 28 is the correct answer for the last question. P and Q, so 32,000, 26,000. Okay. After 7 months, R joins with 36,000. Acha, sir, first things first. Every amount has 1,000 in it, na, sir? Sir, get rid of these thousands. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Sir, why? Because I want to calculate my, I want to keep my calculations as bare minimum as possible. So PQ, so 32 rupees P had invested. P had invested 32. 7 months after from the start, P and like R joins, and after next 2 months, meaning 7 plus 2, 9 months, P and Q left. 1 year partnership, meaning total 12 months partnership. So that means P and R's money was there for 9 months. So that is 9 months. Ratio, sir. What about Q, sir? Q also was there, like for the same thing, but again Q invested 26 rupees. For how many months? Sir, again, sir, P and Q left after 9 months. 7 plus 2. So it is also 9. Sir, for R joined with 36 rupees, sir. But for how many months? You see, after 7 months R joined. That means R's money, total 12 months. So R's money was there for 12 minus 7, that is 5 months. That is the ratio. That is your ratio, sir. Let's see if we can cancel something. 3, so 9 to cancel, 9, 9. Right, sir? Another 2 jayega, sir. 2 16s are this, 2 13s are this, 2 2s are this. So the ratio becomes 16 ratio 13 ratio 10, sir. Now total profit is given, sir, meaning the total parts. Total how many parts, sir? 16 plus 13 plus 10. This is an AP, sir. 313 as 9, 39 parts is the total, sir. 39 parts. The value is this. They are asking Q value, sir. The value of 13, sir. The value of 13. The value of 13. Right? So there are two ways to solve. If you do not want to calculate all these things, if you do not want to calculate all these things, you can say my answer will be a 13 multiple. The answer will be a 13 multiple and you can check from here. But again, for everyone I'm doing, so chalo, let me show the actual calculations. So 39 parts is this. So one part will be 110. Sorry. So 11076 divided by 39. This is one part into 13. So it's very simple. So 3 times. So 3 say calculation will be very simple. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. 2 3 9s are this. 3 6 like 2s are 6. 3692 rupees. Option number D is the correct answer. Option number D. Yes, Sashi, Reena, all of you guys are absolutely correct. 3692 rupees is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Option D. Next one, sir. The greatest number. Sir, which case? At least my student should answer this first. Greatest word means, sir, HCF case. Which that divides this, remainder, this. Very good, sir. Sir, corresponding remainder you need to subtract, sir. You have to subtract in HCF cases. Operations are done first, then you take HCF. Sir, it will be, sir, 126 minus 2, sir. That is 124. 224 minus 7, sir. That is how much? 4 gone, 3 gone, sir. 220, sorry. मैं पागल हो गया भाई. 217, sir. 608 minus 19. 608 minus 8 is, sir, 600. So minus 10 is, sir, 590. So it is 589. Do not do anything. Do not take HCF. Always. I told you guys this thing. What is to be done? Check for options. Sir, checking the options, 31 fourths are this. Most probably this is the answer. Let's see whether this is divisible by 31. Yes, into 7. You don't even need to check this. The B is the answer. B has to be the answer. B has to be the correct answer. Again, you see why? Because every number, whatever is their HCF, each of these number has to be divisible by the HCF. That is the concept. So I've just checked it like this. Not everything requires your full-fledged calculation. Next one. So this is as simple as it gets. LCM, so it's very simple. We know, sir. Sorry. Sir, we know LCM times HCF. It is equal to number 1 into number 2, the product of the numbers. Sir, this is gone, this is done. Sir, 819 into 13 will be, sir, 91 into the other number. 7 13s are this, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are this, 7 7s are this. So N2, the number, second number is 117, option number. Option number B. And I also, like, if you don't want to calculate, sir, you can also think, sir, unit digit is 1 into what gives you this. Unit digit is of 7. 7 into what gives you a unit digit 9. So the last digit has to be 7 because 7 7s are 49. So only one option having that. Only one option having that same property. So that is one way to solve. Next one, sir. कुछ मिस हो जाए तो बताना. This is a AP product. अच्छा बाप रे. AP product means it will be a little lengthier. The question will be a little lengthy. Don't worry, not very lengthy. Second term, third term, acha, let me check. First term, fourth term. And now they're asking something else. Acha, that means first, consider there is a four term AP, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the number of terms are even, so that means this is the average. This I'll take A. It is A plus D, this is A minus D. D is the common difference. Now this is not D is not the common difference. Common difference, if you can see, I've told you guys this as theory said that in this cases the common difference is 2D. You see the difference is 2D. So next one will be, sir, A plus D plus D 2D, that is A plus 3D, A minus 3D. Second and third product is 4. So A minus D into A plus D. A square minus D square. That is, sir, 4. And first and fourth product, this one and this one, sir. A square minus 9D square. You see, I'm using the A square minus B square formula. It is, sir, minus 14. Achha. Increasing AP means D has to be greater than 0. The AP, sorry, greater than 0 only works. Right? So just solve these two equations. It's very simple, sir. Subtract. Just do the subtraction. Any other method, the calculations will be very big. This will become plus, sir. So plus 9 minus D. That means, sir, 8D square. This will also become plus. That is 10, sir. That is 10. So D square, it is 10 by 4. Oh, sorry, 10 by 8. 5 by 4. Now, do not figure out D. We do not need D. We do not need D. अच्छा, D तो चाहिए. अच्छा, we are not making any mistake, ना? एक second रुक जाओ. Minus 14 I have taken. I have subtracted. So this becomes plus. हाँ देखो, गलत तो किया है मैंने. So this is plus. I have written 10. This is plus and I have written 10. So that means, sir, ये तो पूरा ही गलत है. Sir, very, very bad. This is 2 से 9, 2 sorry, 2 से 4. क्या कर रहा हूँ भाई? 2 से 4, 2 से 9. Now it makes sense. D square is 9 by 4. So D will be set 3 by 2. Now again you will say, sir, why not plus minus 3 by 2? Because we know it's an increasing AP. D must be greater than 0. Let's see, Reena, let's see. Just, it will not be very difficult. Let's see. D is 3 by 2. Now, first term is greater than minus 3. वो जाएंगे, sir. That means they are asking, figure out first term, A. Not first term. Let's see, sir. A square. A square from this equation. A square is D square plus 4. D square was 9 by 4 plus 4. A square will be 16 plus 9, 25 by 4. Now that means A has to be 5 by 2. You will again say, sir, why not minus 5 by 2? Because if minus 5 by 2, then this option will not suffice. That means the first term then will be less than minus 3. That cannot happen. Sir, ho gaya kaam, sir. 10th term they are asking. Sir, in this AP, the common difference is, sir, 2D. Common difference in this AP is 2D. So that means common difference is 2 into 3 by 2, that is 3. That is the common difference, CD. And first term, T1, term number 1, is this one, A minus 3D. A is 5 by 2 minus 3D. 3D means 3 into 3 by 2. So 3 3s are 9 by 2. That gives you minus 2. That gives you minus 2, minus 4 by 2. Sir, I know first term, I know common difference. Can anyone figure out 10th term? Sir, first term plus 10th term is 10 minus 1, 9 times D. D is how much? D here is 3. So answer will be 25. Option में है क्या ये C? Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Yes, Reena. Exactly. Now again, this was a very good question. Lengthy question. Definitely lengthy question. Because you see, if you normally go by this like calculations, just very normal calculations, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, the normal how everybody does it, then the calculations will be even larger. This division, this solution of d and a individually, that will only take time. That will take much more time as well. Okay, so always try to go like this if you have the option, if you have this type of questions at hand. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Everyone clear? Everybody clear, sir? Now again, just a small request. If you are liking the session, please feel free to hit that like. Gives the session a little bit more reach. Please hit that like, sir. Okay. Now, price of a cap increased by 15%. That results in 27 rupee increase. Sir, ho hi gaya. 15% increment is 27 in terms of money. That means 15%. It is equivalent to 27. Now, what is the price then? Sir, 100%. 100% will be what? 27 by 15 into, sir, 100. Sir, 5 3s are this, 5 20s are this, 3 9s are this. So this is 180 rupees. Now, they are not asking a price, they are asking the increased price. Do not make this mistake and mark 180. Ye mark mat kar dena. Please do not mark 180. Yes. Sashi, I'll go there. I'll say. I'll explain once again. Just give me, like, let me complete this. Increased price, sir. Sir, you need to add 27 to your answer. So you need to add, this is the, so answer will be, sir, 207 rupees. That is option C, sir. Option C is the correct answer. So please do not make that silly error of marking 180. And if I'm not wrong, some of you must have done this mistake, because I have done this mistake multiple times. Just you were asking about this, na brother? You see, if there are even number of terms, na, odd number of terms, so there is no problem. Even number of terms, if you see, in any AP question or average question, consecutive number question, similar. So middle number is this always. The middle between the middle two. That is A. Now common difference, so I'm taking, this is A plus D, this is A minus D. Please understand, A is not part. A is not a like part of this series. A is not a part of this AP. Please understand, sir. So that means the common difference of this AP, it is 2D. You see, you take this minus this, you will get 2D. So that means the next term will be, sir, A plus 2D more, that is 3D. Here it will be 2D less, that is A minus 3D. That is how we form the series. So next term will be A plus 5D, A minus 5D. We will go like that. Why? Because the multiplication thing becomes easier. We can put it in that formula of A square minus B square. Clear, sir? चलो, ये भी हो गया. A boat can travel. A boat can travel 5 kilometers in 15 minutes. Speed, sir. Upstream speed we can figure out, sir. This will be 20 kilometers per hour. You will say, why, sir? Because 15 minutes means 1/4 of an hour. Distance by one, like time, that will give you speed. 5 divided by 1 by 4 means 5 into 4. Done? Done, sir, done. Ratio of speed of steel watches, that means X and Y ratio is given, sir. 6:1. Okay. So that means D ratio U is what? Downstream speed and upstream speed. X plus Y 7. Ratio X minus Y 5. That, sir, this 5 parts is given as 20. This is given as 20. Sir, 7 parts will be what, sir? It is multiplied 4. It is multiplied for 28. Done, sir. Now they are asking this much kilometer downstream, sir. Distance by, sir, speed. And again, sir, you need to multiply 60. You will say, why 60, sir? Because minutes mein answer hai. Options are all in minutes. Sir, this point gone, 0 gone. This is, sir, 14 square. 14 into 14, 114 gone to 114 remaining. This is 2 remaining. This is 3. So 42 minutes is the answer. 42 minutes. Option A is the answer. Sir, it should not take you more than 30 seconds. 30 seconds is also very, very big. 30 seconds is also a very, very nominal ask of you guys. Again, any question you guys don't understand, feel absolutely free to ask. Okay? I'm doing it very fast, but again, not very fast still. Percentage marks obtained by Ankita in history and maths together is 60. 90 out of 150 out of 100. 250 marks का सर एग्जाम है. Maths का paper is of 150. The science paper, history paper is of 100. Total से 250 marks paper, and she got 60%. 60% of this, right? So 0, 0, 0, 0, 150 marks. Out of 150, 90 she got in sir physics, maths. So history में कितना sir? History में she will get sir 150 minus 90. That is 60 marks. That is what they're asking. Yes, that is what they're asking. Option D is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, everyone. Need answers, need answers. Need answers from everyone. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Quickly tell me the answers. Clear, sir? Clear, clear, clear. चलो सर, चलो. कहा गया 50 था ना? How much we did? 60. After two successive discounts of 20% and 10%. Now, whoever knows this, whoever done enough questions, they will say, sir, it is 28%. AB theorem, if you use, you will get the net discount. 20 and 10 in negative discounts means a 28 and positive means 32, right? Now, shopkeeper suffers 5%. What is the markup? Markup, whenever you need, I told you CP, SP, MP. So loss of 5% means it 100 rupee CP, 95 rupee SP. Now MP, how will I be finding, sir? 95 into use that method, the modular method, sir. Best way to find, sir, MP. Sir, MP is 28% discount. That means what? It means MP, if my MP is 100 rupees, SP is 28 rupees less, that is 72. So this represents SP, sir. 95 is SP. So this is 72 in the denominator. We want MP. MP is 100. 100 in the numerator. They are asking what is this percentage. So CP was this. MP is this. What is the markup percentage? कुछ हो सकता है क्या? 5 and 9, 14. अरे बाप रे, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. So 4 is the only thing. 4 18s are 72. 4 25s are this, right? Just let me think a little bit. Can we? Options are also not very far. 30, 35, 32. No way. कुछ नहीं होगा. Anything, anything, anything. Any. The only thing we can calculation थोड़ा easy कर सकते हम. That's all I can do. 60 plus 35, 60 minus 35. So 60 square minus 35 square. That is 1225 by 18. It will be 200. I'm doing it here. 200 minus. This will give you your answer. 1200 by 18. This is how much, sir? This is how much, sir? This is 15 times, right? No. 18, 18, 18, 6 3s are this. 200. 200 by 3 times. 200 by 3 times. काम करो, इतना भी approximate नहीं करना चाहिए. Let's do one thing. रुको. I'll not do this much. Let's calculate tediously. Right? 18, 18, 18, 18. 6 से ही करो sir. 60 like 6 into 18 sir, 108, right? 108. 108 means 13 14 remaining, 145. So it will be sir 7 times something. So 200 minus 67 point something, that is 133 point something, 132 point something. 32% is there. Yes sir, that is the answer. Please understand how did I do. 100 rupees became this much rupees. The calculation was very, very bad. I don't know whoever has given this, like any value they have put. So this was, I just did the calculation and it came out to be 132 point something percentage. 132 point some percentage, very close to 132 actually. So that means 100 per rupees became this much. Markup is what? That 32 rupees. So that is how I got this answer. No, Chinmay, this is not error question. The calculations are not good. We could directly add with the 95% with discount. नहीं भाई, नहीं, that we cannot do, brother. That we cannot do. Right? ठीक है? वो देखो, वाह, what a calculation. Now you know like how you will calculate. How you will calculate, sir. Data sufficiency question, sir. Data sufficiency question, sir. Please understand data sufficiency. If you want to learn how to solve data sufficiency, who knows how to solve data sufficiency, they will see the real skill in solving these questions is to understand whether we can answer the question without solving. Please understand, they are asking, this is the question, what is the share in B, share of B in profit? You don't need to answer this question. You don't need to figure out what is the share. You just need to figure out whether using these statements we can answer the question or not. They are not asking what's the answer. They are asking whether you can answer or not. Let's see. Profit earned by A and B together is this. So total profit is this. But again, this is not sufficient because I need some ratio, some ratio. Second one, A and B started with this ratio. So ratio is no. Now ratio I know. That means if I have, you see, only ratio if I know, that also is not sufficient. I need ratio and the total. So that means we need both. We need actually both. Check the options. Data in both statements are together necessary. That means option D is the correct answer. Both statements. Again, I'll not figure out what's the value. I'll just say, bhai, ye mera answer hai. Using these two. So again, if anyone here have given GMAT or you want to give GMAT, GMAT is the mother of this data sufficiency questions. Till date, you will get many questions in GMAT every year. DAE pucha hai. Remember, we need DAE. That means that upper angle. The other angles are given. We need this particular angle, sir. This is very simple. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral BCED. So this is 70 means this has to be 110 because these two are supplementary angles of any cyclic quadrilateral opposite. Take the big vertical triangle. One angle is 20, one angle is 110. So total 130, it should be sir 180 minus 130, 50 degree. Answer. Answer, sir. Moving, let's see. Let's mark. वो देखो 50 बैठा है. Clear, sir? Clear everyone. Moving on. ये तो direction. Number series मैं ही कर देता हूँ. Number series I'm doing say 9. I like to write it. No, 29, 67, 129 dash 349. Sir, looks like a addition series. The jumps are not big. Jumps are not that big, right? So 9 to 29 is a 20 difference. This is how much? 30, 38 difference. This is how much, sir? 69 to 129 is 60. So 60, 62 difference. This I don't know, this I don't know. Acha. 18 gap, and this gap is how much, sir? 18, then for 40, 24 gap. Increment by 6. You are getting my point now. This is, you see, 18 ka gap. This is 24 ka gap. By that logic, I have to check because I have only very limited values. It has to be 30 ka gap. It has to be 36 ka gap. If I'm increasing by 6. So 20, so this is 62 plus 9, 30 will be say 90. And 129 plus 90, that is 229 minus 10, 219. Now let's check whether this is matching or not. So if this is 36, this will be sir 126. 126, 219, 126. हाँ, नहीं मैच हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं तो अंधा हूं ना. कैसे मैच होगा? क्योंकि मैं तो अंधा हूं. 62 and 32, 92. I'm saying 92, writing 90. 129 plus 90, 229, 219, 221. This is 36, na 90, and this is 126, 128. Yes, sir, it is matching. You see, you can check the unit digits. You can check the unit digits. 221, 128. So 8 and 1, 9, like 22 and 12, so 34. That's the answer. So my answer will most definitely be 221, option number C. Option number C, 221 is the answer. Yes, Sashi. 221 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very, very simple. It's not, it's double difference question, a little issue, little tricky, but not very much. Simple interest at 8% per annum, 4 years, became, sir, this much. Sir, interest is 8 foods are 32%. That means 132% is equal to 29865. So they're asking simple interest kitna hai. That means, sir, what is the value of 32%? 296, sorry, 29865 divided by 1% is 132. 32% is this. So to like 4 से कर देते, sir. 4 8s are this. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 11 से जाएगा sir. 3 से भी जाएगा. चलो 11 से करते sir. 11 3s are this. 11 2s are 22. 78 means 7s are 77. 16 1 5. 3 9s are this. 3 5s are this. So 72 and 40. 72 40. Option number B is the answer. Option B is your correct answer, sir. Option B is most definitely your correct answer, sir. You see, very, very simple. Again, I have told you guys all about these percentage calculations. Simple interest, the rule of the law is what? Use percentage. Use percentage. Array, sir. Just before this class, we were doing this thing, the surds thing. Sir, square root chahiye, sir, because I need root x. Sir, 12 is 3 plus 3 into 4. 7 is 3 plus 4. And there is plus. That means root x will be, sir, root 4 plus root 3. In better words, 2 plus root 3. So 1 by root x, again it will be what, sir? Complement. So 2 minus root 3 divided by the square, the difference of squares. 2 square 4, root 3 square 3. That means the difference is 1. That means it is 2 minus root 3. So root x plus 1 by root x. It will be 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So the answer is 4. The answer is 4, option number B. Done. Reena, Sashi, again, you guys are absolutely correct. You guys are absolutely correct. You guys are absolutely correct. Right? Again, dogs are fighting just outside my house. Mean of 5 positive multiples of 3 is 15. 4 consecutive positive, but 2 is. Arey baap, mean deviation. Sir, it's a lengthy question. Mean deviation. Deviation questions are always lengthy. Mean deviation especially. It will be lengthy. चलो करते क्या करें. Sir, 5 consecutive multiples of 3 is 15. Sir, 5 means odd number. Sir, mean means average. Average is 3. Sorry, is 15. Sorry. So this is 15. Multiples of 3. That means this will be 18. This will be 21. This will be 12. This will be 9. 5 numbers. Again, this consecutive number rules, I've talked about this in detail. 4 consecutive positive multiples of 2 is 11, sir. That means this middle value is 11. It is 12, it is 10. This is 8, this is 14. Right? All the numbers we know, we need average. But again, we'll not take the average like this. We will take the average using weighted average, sir. Sir, there are 5 numbers into, sir, 15, 75. 4 numbers, average like 11, that is 44. By, sir, total 5 plus 4, 9 numbers. That is X bar, the average, the mean. So this is how much? 74, 75, 45. 120, 119 by 9. So mean deviation is what is the deviation from each of the number from this? Sir, calculate karna hai, sir. 9. So this is greater than 9. So always you will take the positive, huh? Minus 9 plus 119 by 9 minus, and I'm just taking the smaller numbers first. 8. 119 by 9 minus, sir, 10. Plus, you do this total divided by, sir, 9. That will be your answer. Please do the calculations. Okay? Please do the calculations. You will get your answer. You will get your answer. So just do, find the deviation of each and every number from the mean. Just divide, and at the end, because there are 9 numbers, divide by 9. Total deviation by number of numbers. We have done this in average. Okay, sir? So I don't know which one is the correct answer. I do not know which one is the correct answer, but I can check for you guys. Option B is the correct answer. So these things we have done much better. But again, so last, this part nobody. So you have to do. You guys must do this. Okay? Chalo, sir. Next one, sir. ये नहीं है हमारा. चलो sir, चलो. Yes, Sashi, definitely, brother. But again, for those, I'm saying this for everyone, na, brother. So definitely, you can take actually what we do now. 10. So there are 9 numbers. 9 into 119 by 9 minus sum of all the numbers. But there is a problem. You have to figure out which numbers are greater than that, which numbers are less than that. Because उसमें plus minus होगा sir. ठीक है? चलो. In a city, population is this. अच्छा, male population is this much more than the female population. अरे. Male and female population are in this ratio. Calculation. Total population multiple of 13 होगा sir. Let's check ना sir. 13. 52. 66. अरे सर ये multiple of 13 है. This is not multiple, right? अरे सर नहीं होगा सर. Shortcut नहीं चलेगा सर. This is also multiple of 13. This is also multiple. These 3 are multiples of 13. Only one thing I can assume. So again, we have to do. Chalo, let's see whether Sashi is saying. No, Sashi, you can. You definitely can, brother. But again, in that case, you have to keep in mind which numbers are less than 119 by 9. Because in that case, deviation plus minus ka you have to see. You have to see plus minus. You're getting my point now, brother. So that is something that you must understand. Acha. So difference will be 3 units. You see, 5, 8 is male, 3, 5 is female. So the difference is 3. So 3 units is this much, sir. 3 units. 151041. Let's use. कुछ नहीं होगा. So sir, and I need total. Total means sir, I need 13 units. So 1 unit will be this. 13 unit will be into 13. Sir, 3 sevens are 1, 7 threes are 1. Option answer will be, array sir, ho gaya sir, you see again. Answer will be ending in 1. You see what I've done? 3 into how, what gives you an ending in 1? Sir, you will say sir, into something 7. And again into something 7 into this 3 will give you 1. Will give you 1. So that means your answer will be, sir, either this one, the options which are ending in 1. And by the multiple of 13, I have checked. This is not a multiple of 13. Only one number is multiple of 13. That is D. That has to be my answer. That has to be my answer. Now, combination mein ho gaya, sir. If you can do it in combination, you will get it. You see, this is all about you. You guys need to be street smart. Not everything. You see, like no matter how many techniques you learn, no matter how many things you do, there will always be exceptions. So whoever can take the decision most promptly at that point of time will be the winner, will be the person to get selected. Okay? So again, build that instinct. This is all about instincts. Build that instinct. Achha. Sir, present and absent. The number of absent employees March. अच्छा चलो ये options बाद में देखेंगे. Absent employees in May and August together. 44, 30, sir, 74. What percentage more or less than the absent employees April, June, July? April, June, July. 54, 54 and this sir, 54, 58, 78. Achha sir, how much more or less? It means sir 4 more or less, right? 74 is 4 less than this. So again, I don't need this, right? So 2, this is the 39. 200 by 39. 6, 5 से चलो. It just 5 point something percentage. 5 point some percentage will be the answer. Let's see, sir. 5.13 is the only option. 5.13 is the only option, sir, because 200 by 39. That is how we did. That is how we did. Yes, 5.1. Yes, that's the only option, right? Sir, Ishan spent this much buying a bike, this much buying a television. 20% of the remaining he had as cash. Total amount. That's a 20% if he is remaining. So that means this whole amount is 80%, sir. I need the total amount means I need 100%. I need the value of 100%, sir. Sir, 80% is this. So it is how much? 35 and 25 let's 24 let's do. So that is 59. 59,000 and 355, 645. Array, this is 60,000. Very good. Very good value, sir. Addition is 60,000. Sir, 60,000. Right? Sir, this is 80%. So that means 1% is by 80, 100% is into 100. So 25 is 24. 4 15s are 60, sir. 15,000 into 5, sir. 75000. 75000. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Sashi again, Sashi, Reena, all of you guys are 100% correct. Simple, simple questions. हाँ ऐसा अरे सर ये तो अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Now why? You see why? By looking at this question, I just said okay, this is a good question. Why? Why is that? Sir, some information is given, some information we need to figure out. If they had asked only some information and I can see all 4 are options, options are what? Numerical. I'll say normal, just put the value. Just put in the value. Again, you cannot do this. You cannot do this now. So what we'll be doing, sir? In that case, what we are going to do, sir, we have to solve. There is absolutely no way. Otherwise, you might get lucky. If you want to put value, na, so this this is, you have to get lucky. Perfect. Some idea you can use because the values are 0 to 90 na. Chalo, let's solve it normally, then I'm saying what we can be done. Bisect theta means O per cos theta. Cosec square means it will go up and it will become 4 sine square theta minus 3 minus 2 cos theta. Calculate, sir. Sir, put it as cos square theta because all are cos theta here. Achha. No need. It gets cancelled. Huh. So this minus minus also gone. So 4 sine square theta minus 3, it is equal to 0. So sine theta is equal to, sir, sine theta is root 3 by 2. Sine square theta is 3 by 4. So theta is 60 degrees, sir. Now he'll say, sir, why not 120? Because the value is between 90, between 0 to 90. Let's see. Again, I forgot your name, brother. I forgot your name. You told me multiple times. I forgot. So theta by 2 will be 30 degree. Cot 30, sir. Tan 30, cot 30, tan 30, 1 by root 3. It will be root 3, sir. Root 3 into 3, sir. 3 root 3. Minus. This is how much? 2 into sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be, sir, 2 by root 3. हाँ, ये कैसा आ गया? चलो ठीक है, क्या ही करें. 3 root 3 minus 4 by root 3. Let's do one thing. By root 3 and this is big, this becomes square. So 9 minus 4, 5 by root 3 will be the answer. 5 by root 3, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Brother, option C, I am not getting D, brother. I am getting C is the correct answer. Okay, now to figure out that theta will be 60 from this equation, it will be a little tricky. But again, you can think. So you see, if I put 45, so I cannot put 90, I cannot put 0, I cannot put. Why? Because sec and cosec is there. So infinite banne ka chance. It will get infinite, right? So 0, I cannot put 90 degree, I cannot put 45 degree also, I cannot. Because then sec and cosec, I cannot identify which one is sec and which one is cosec. So the remaining is 30 and 60. Theta by 2, if you look, so that means also 30 you cannot put. So the only option remaining 60, and if you put 60, you will see if this is satisfying. So if you are willing to think like this, you will get your answer. You will get your answer without solving. But again, it is always better that you also know how to solve questions using trigonometrical identities. That is also very, very, very important for everyone. Very, very important for everybody. Remember this. Right, sir? Come. Largest 5-digit number exactly divisible by. Divisible word. It means it's a LCM case. So take the LCM of these. LCM of these, sir. Chalo, sir. 3 into 8. 8 is not there. Keep it. 3 I have taken. So I need another 3. 2 is gone. I need the whole thing because it is 5s. 3 into 9. So another 3, sir. This is the LCM. 25 into 8, 200, 3, 9. Sorry, 27. 27 into 200, sir. 50, कुछ ज़्यादा ले लिया क्या? Have I taken something extra? Have I taken something extra? 24 I have taken, 18 ka 3 I have taken. Extra 3, 5 is not there. No, 5400 is this. 5400 is the LCM, sir. 5400 is the LCM. Okay, just a second. 5400 is the LCM. Largest 5-digit number. So largest 5-digit number is 99999 divided by 5400. Achha, we can check one thing. Rather than doing this, let's do one thing. Use some better methods. Check with the options. 5400 means 100 is there, that's good. And this is 6 into 9. So 9 ka divisibility, let's check. Let's check 9 divisibility. all are divisible by 100. Why? Because there are two zeros at the end. So two zeros, like this. 9 ka divisibility check, and always start from the biggest number because we are trying to figure out the largest one. So biggest is this. Is it divisible by 9? No, sir. 9 is divisible, 8 is not. 9 is divisible, 8 and 6, it is also not. Next one, sir, it is divisible. This is my answer, sir. This is my answer, option A. This is my answer, option A. And you see what process I've followed. I need the largest number, so I've started from the largest option. So this was the largest, then this one, then this one. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear, sir? Chalo, sir. This is the answer, 97,200. Next one. Sir, alligation question with a profit and loss tip. Very important also for SSC mains, CGL mains. This is a very, very repeated time. So 30% profit at this. So 30% profit means CP 100, SP 130. Now everything, this is 36 rupees costing, 63 rupees costing, all are CPs. So this SP I have to convert to CP. So if this is the SP, how can I convert this to CP, sir? Into, this is SP, that is like denominator. SP means numerator, 0, 0 gone, 0 and this gone. 13, 4 13s are this, 5 13s are for like this, right? So 45 rupees. So allegation is one corn flour 63 rupees, one rice flour 36 rupees, resultant is 45 rupees. They are asking the quantity. वो देख लेंगे sir. 45 is 5, 13, 18 sir. And this is a 9. So the ratio is 1:2. So meaning 63 rupees corn flour and 40 like 40 kgs rice flour. So this two parts, it is rice flour. This is two parts, meaning say 2 parts of rice flour I'll mix with 1 part of corn flour. So this 2 parts value is 40 kgs given. So 1 part value has to be 20 kgs, half. That's my answer. Option number A. Option number A, sir. Option number A, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Who is saying check for 9 multiple, Mr. Snow? John Snow. Acha. Brother, not a 9 multiple, brother. You cannot do it like this. Understand why you cannot do it. Why? Multiple checking is very good. If you don't know the basics, nothing can get you in trouble more than checking multiple. Now understand why. Nobody has told you, brother, that value will be integer. Multiple checking, when does it work? If we're talking about age, I know that value will be an integer. You're getting my point? So it's something that you also keep in mind, like while using the multiple check thing. Okay? Chalo. Next one. Divisible by this factor theorem. That means if I put x equal to 4, this thing has to be 0. So 4 into x to the power 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 is how much? 2 to the power 8. That is 512. No, 256. 256 minus k into x's cube, that is 64. Plus 5 times 4, 20. Minus 20 has to be 0. From there, what I'll do, I'll get the value of k. So do not calculate. K will be, sir, K will be, this will go that side, 256 times 4 by, sir, 64. So this is 16, 16s are this. So the value of k is 16. So now that means this whole thing becomes 4x to the power 4 a minus 16x's cube plus 5x minus 20. Right? This is the whole thing. Now they are asking this is divisible by what? Other this thing. Now there are two ways to go about this. Either you can put a value that is greater than 1 and you can check like by putting some values. Or you can do what? So you divide this by, one factor was x by 4, x minus 4. You say I'll divide it by this. And if you are good enough, you'll say, and you don't need the whole thing actually. Why? Sir, it is multiplying x by what will get 4x to the power 4? Sir, 4x is cube I'll need to multiply with. So 4x to the power 4. Now this part will also get multiplied. So this will become 4 4s are 16x is cube. And you see this is also 5 times plus 5 times of x minus 4. So this will be, the quotient will be, sir, I can see this plus because there is a plus there. So my answer will be, sir, option E. But another way, sir, you put x equal to 2 in this expression. You cannot take 1. Why you cannot take 1? Because in that case, this and this, you cannot differentiate. Because 1 square is also 1, 1 cube is also 1. So for that, it's better always put more than 2. So this is a value, check where this value is divisible by which number by putting the same value in the options. अच्छा अरे स्नो चलो चलो ठीक works last sum which one brother कौन सा वाला this one ना अच्छा हाँ तो this one we did yes अरे मैं खुद भूल जाता हूँ भाई सर ये तो बहुत सिंपल है sum of two integers is this one is this so next one will be minus 46 minus 82 check ना sir 128 ये देखो minus 120 option number 4 it's like होता है ना कभी कभी it's a freebie सबको देना है sir this is not ours a large right circular cone of this and this is melted and recasted into अच्छा चलो side of the each small cube A let's take ठीक है so pi means 22 by 7 154 is a very good value of pi 22 into 7 is 154 into r square 21 into 21 into h is 9 that should be now whenever melting and recasting is done volume is same sir volume is sir 1.54 into 10 to the power 5 baap into sir similar cubes everything has a side a so a cube is the volume calculate sir this by 100 means 10 to the power 5 that is 10 cube that is 1000 22 sevens are this 7 threes are this 7 threes are this and chalo बढ़िया anything else कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ ना a cube is 3 into 3 into 9 by 1000 no this should be 3 have I made any mistake here 7 22 into 7 7 एक 7 चला गया this also gone sir something is not right this is 3 to the power 4 right this is 3 to the power 4 a should be this is there is some problem in the question a should be sir this is 10 cube root but this is not coming अरे कौन है सॉरी यस देखा अरे मैंने देखा नहीं सॉरी भाई दिस इज आप आई एम डूइंग इट बाय सिलेंडर अरे सॉरी हाँ नाउ दिस मेक्स सेंस नाउ दिस थिंग मेक्स सेंस सो इट इज 3 हाँ so 3 है ना दिस इज 3 so 3 by 10 centimeter means 0.3 centimeter options 0.3 अच्छा 3 millimeter is there 0.3 centimeter it means 3 millimeters so option number B is the correct answer वो देखो देखा ही नहीं सर शशि थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर थैंक यू सो मच चला गया सर कुछ रेशियो ऑफ पेरीमीटर सर इन सर्किल सर पेरीमीटर रेशियो इज नथिंग बट the ratio of the radius So ratio of radius in circle is 1 part, circumcircle is 2 parts. We all know, because this is a by root 3 circumcircle radius, a by 2 root 3 is in circle radius. In the basic thing also, basic for like geometry series that I'm running on this channel, we are going to do these things. ये भी करेंगे, बहुत very special things, right? So perimeter, so this is 1:2 will be the answer for perimeter as well. That will be the answer for perimeter as well, sir. Because 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi, 2 pi cancels. A, B, C, 14, 16, 28. Chalo, sir. A ratio, B ratio, C, sir. The efficiency ratio will be 1 by time ratio. 1 by 14, 1 by 16, 1 by 28. Multiply this by LCM. LCM 14, 28 ka to 28 into, sir. This is 4 is there. So 4. So this is the LCM, sir. If you multiply 14 twos are this, so 8 is the here. 16, 16, 16, 4 fours are gone, sir. 7 is this. 28, 28, 4 is this. This is the efficiency ratio, and always this is your total volume, sir. Total volume, it is how much, sir? 3, 120 se 8 come. 112. 112 liters, sir. Done this much now. A, B begins are open for 3 hours. In 3 hours, A and B, every hour A and B fills 8 plus 7, 15. So in 3 hours, they will fill 45 liters. So remaining will be, sir, 112 minus 45. So 112 minus 50 will be, sir, 72. Sorry, 62. 62, 62 plus 5, 67 liters. This 67 liters will be filled by whom? Will be filled by pipe C. So how much time will they take, sir? The total volume by, sir, the efficiency of this, that is 4. So 68 is 17. So 16.75 hours will be the answer. 16.75 options. Option C is the answer. Reena, Sashi, again, you guys are absolutely correct. Very, very, very simple, right? Chalo, sir. ये चला गया. Acha, we have to end the class because there is another class after this. Acha, let's make this last question. I don't think there will be 1 or 2 questions, that two very simple questions, because most of the questions after 90 there is no question. जितना मेरे को याद है. अच्छा, total number of students in all 5 classes together. रुको, एक चीज देखने दो मेरे को. Yeah, very good. All the unit digits are different. Sir, हम तो sir, total means you need the total of this. Sir, दिमाग लगाओ sir. 9 and 1 0, 7 and 3 0. The unit digit 3, sir. 7 3 0, 9 9 18, 8 and 3 1. Answer, sir. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Sir, देखो हो गया. No, you do not need to solve questions. थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगाना है sir. ठीक है? I guess last question will be the next one. चलो यही most probably last question. हाँ यही last question. Now after 90 there is no question of maths. 90th question देख लेंगे. Sir, last question. Number of students participated in a quiz competition from school A and B is 300. Okay, total. Number of girls school A are 1/4 of the number of girls from school B. अच्छा sir, एक काम करते sir. School A, boys, girls, because this is kind of caselet type question. B, boys, girls. So let's see what are the like things. School A girls, 1/4 of the. So if school A girls are X, this will be, sir, 4X, because 4 times 1/4 opposite 4 times. Number of boys participated from both schools are 60% of the total participants. 60% of the total. 60% of the total means, sir, this is 180. 180 total boys. That means 120 total girls. Sir, this is 4x plus x. 5x is equal to 120. So x value will be, sir, 24. So I can simply say, sir, this will be, sir, 24. This will be, sir, 96. They're asking total how many girls participated from school B. The answer is 96. 96, option D is the correct answer. And we got our answer. We got our answer, sir. And that marks the end of this week's mock. Perfect, everyone. So this was our short little mock discussion on this week's mock. So again, if you have liked this particular session, I tend to try to give you shortcuts, the techniques in this session. So again, for basics, I am running this series. Please feel free to join that. So again, thank you so much everyone for joining this particular session. I will again see you guys tomorrow at 5 o'clock with the ALP mock test, right? So the solution, live solution of that. So again, if you have liked the session, please do like it and share it among your friends. And again, I'll see you, and please try to be regular on the classes. So again, I'll try to see you guys tomorrow. Till then, again, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Have a very good night.